up, everyone? We just got to Jordan.
Well, we got to Jordan last night. We flew in at 1 a.m. and after we sorted out our rental car situation, got some cash, we made it to our hotel, which was very close to the airport.
It's called the Farcine Apartment 1. It's kind of like a hostel. So it's like a
communal kind of. You have your own room, and then you all share a living room, kitchen. We went to bed at like 2:30 a.m. So we're a little tired. We got up at 9.
Plus for jet lag.
Plus for jet lag. But we wanted to get going early this morning because we're driving down to Wadi Rum to stay in a Bedouin camp tonight.
It's our first time in the Middle East, and obviously that means it's our first time driving here, and it's a lot different, let's just say that.
Yes, we've noticed that we stand out because we use signals.
So we got here a little bit late, so we're not going to be doing any hiking, unfortunately, but we're doing a sunset Jeep tour instead. And I think we're the only ones doing it. And we're on top of the Jeep right now, which is kind of cool. And yeah, this should be interesting. I feel like our parents would probably not approve of this. What do you think,
canyon on the way through Wadi Rum. As you walk in through the canyon, there's like inscriptions and like carvings on the wall of like sheep and people and some Arabic that people back like 1,000 years ago when they come back from Mecca, they would write on the wall, you know, their travel and some religious scripture.
Yeah, it's really interesting because obviously all of Jordan is a desert, but most of what we saw driving down, it was more of like a grayish tan, coarse, deserty type. And then as soon as we got to Wadi Rum, this area, it totally changed. It's more sandy-ish, clayish, and as you can see, it's very like reddish. And yeah, it looks like Mars almost. It's really cool. Our tour guide suggested that we try sandboarding, and we've never done that before, so obviously we're like, sure. And I completely wiped out on my first attempt. So
Tell them I was too chicken.
So I went first, and after Katie saw me go, I don't think that she was too interested in trying it out. But it was, I mean, it was still fun other than the fall. To our last stop to watch the sunset over the valley. Took a little bit of an off-road detour to it, so it was a little bumpy, but man, is this worth it. This is just unbelievable. I've never seen anything like this. It's so cool too because like there's absolutely no one around. It's a top tourist destination here in Jordan, but it's so massive that you rarely run into other tours, and when you do, it's just kind of driving by. But then once you're off course a little bit like this, it's just you and Mother Nature. Isn't this cool? This is amazing.